Good morning, students. A warm welcome to today's class. So, Happy New Year to all of my students. I hope this year will be very good for you and you have enjoyed this new year. Okay, so let's start today's class. So, today we are going to study new chapter, that is mensuration. Okay, so here we are studying about figures and their measurement. Okay, so we are knowing about different figures like plain figure, closed figure, open figure, line, point. Okay, so here you are seeing this is a plain figure, and the about plain figure is what? The closed 2D shapes are referred to as plain figure. Means plain figure should be closed. Look at here, this is a curve, but it is closed. This is also made by straight lines. Sorry, this is made by line segment, but this is also curve. So look at here. Here you are seeing boundary. Okay. So have you seen boundary in your home? So if you have home, around home, means on four sides of home there will be boundary. So why you are making boundary? So you will get protection. Nobody will enter directly to your home. So you have boundary and one gate. Okay. So like that, every shapes has boundary. Okay, every closed figure have boundary. तम घर boundary थिबो. Okay. आउ नहले तमरो कोन थिबो? जदि तम घरे परिवा चाष हेतो जोठी परिवा चाष सेठी कोन थाए बाड़ पका ही थाए कि नहीं कोन पे बाड़ पका ही थाए गाई छेड़ी आउ सब पशु पक्षी पशि पासिबेनी आ तमरो जो परिवा फसल जोठी हिता ताको नष्ट करिबेनी सेहि पे कोन हिता बाड़ हेइ थाए चारियाडे सेही बाड़ भी कोन तमरो बाउंड्री. ओके, सो दैट इज फेंसिंग जोटा कि बाड़ को तमे कोन कहउछो फेंसिंग. और दिस वॉल जोटा कि तम घर चारिपटे जो पाचिरी थाए that is what boundary. So this boundary, fence, all have what? Means a boundary. Okay, means what is that? That is a closed figure. So here in picture 1, dash is the boundary above the boundary of the above figure. So which is the boundary? Here B is the boundary. So B point is on boundary, A is interior, C is exterior. So what you will write? Here you can write B. B is the boundary. This is whole is B. So here look at this picture. Which is boundary? Here A, B, C, D, E. So boundary is what? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now we have knowing that boundary which we are using. Everywhere we are seeing boundary because in school also you can find boundary. In home also you can find boundary. Okay. In farming also you are making boundary. So this boundary, what is boundary doing in mathematics? So let's see. So perimeter is related to boundary. So look at here. This is a shape. This one is other shape. This one is other shape. If you start from here and go into this, again go into this, again you can come into here. Means what you are going? You are going to the boundary. Here also if you are starting from this point and moving along the edges. Okay. And this side to move karbo. Prati side. So where you will finish? You will get a boundary. Here also look. If you move along the edges, what you will get? You will get boundary. Okay. Look at here. I have taken a thread, plastic thread. Okay. So this is one straight line for me. Okay, straight plastic thread. So by this, let it be how much? let this be 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is straight line with 10 centimeter. If I'll make like a shape like this, what I'll get? So here it is starting from here, then it is moving here and it is ending here. So how much it will be? It will be the again same 10 centimeter, but boundary is 10 centimeter. You are going. Okay, if I'll make it another thing, so look at here. This is another shape of same 10 centimeter. Like that, we can make different types of shapes by this. Look, the same thing I had made in this plastic thread, and look, so boundary will be like from this to this. If you are opening, this is this much. If I am making the shape, then I am getting the same distance. Means this boundary is known as what? Perimeter. So if we are finding the length of the boundary, this length here, this shape length, the length of the boundary is what? Perimeter. Means this is the boundary. If we want to find the length of boundary, what will get? We'll get perimeter. So look at here. By this also we can say that how much the length of the boundary. So this is making the boundary. Okay, like this, when you are fencing when the farmer is fencing, the farmer fence karuchi. Okay, vegetable fence means what? Bada jota kahitla fence karuchi. Nahale kon hoji? When you are having boundary in your home, then what you are get? When boundary is made, that has to be what? Measured. Taku measurement kara jaye. Tapare boundary kara jaye. So if we go around the figure along its boundary to form a closed figure, then the distance covered is called perimeter of that figure. If we'll move along the boundary, what we'll get? We'll get the distance. This distance is what? Perimeter. So perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Okay, if you are going round the figure once, okay, then you are getting the distance of the boundary. That distance of the boundary is what? Means you have to start from one place, again you have to come back to that place. So jo to start kariyo puni sethi pahunchibo. So that you will get the length of the boundary, and that is what? That is perimeter. So the idea of perimeter is widely used in our daily life, like I have given example of boundary wall. Okay, so a farmer who want to fence his or her field, okay, जोटा कही तमर बाड़ दिया होची फेंसिंग करा होची वेजिटेबल फील्ड रे, कॉर्न फील्ड रे. Okay, an engineer who plans to build a compound wall on all sides of a house, घर चारिपटे जो पाचेरी करा होची, that is compound wall. A person preparing the track to conduct sports. For conducting sports also, if this is a track, okay, so like this track should be made so that you can run on the track. For sports also tracks were made. Okay, sports ପାଇଁ track prepare କରାଯାଏ. ସେତେବେଳେ ତମକୁ କଣ ଦରକାର? That time also you need boundary. Okay, let's see some example. So find the perimeter of the given figure. So look at here, this figure is given, you have to find the perimeter. So look at here, if we'll give it name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what we'll write? We'll write perimeter of figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H equal to, what we'll do? We'll add all the sides. Okay. So sides are AB plus BC. If name is not given, you can name by yourself. जितना name दिया है तो तुम निजे name देख पा रही हो. तो AB plus BC plus CD plus CD plus DE plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus GH plus HA plus HA. So you see, from where you have started, you have came back to the same place. ଯୋଉଠି ତମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲ ସେଇଠି ପୁଣି ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲ. ମିନ୍ସ ଏ ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲ. AB ପ୍ଲସ୍ BC ପ୍ଲସ୍ CD ପ୍ଲସ୍ DE ପ୍ଲସ୍ EF ପ୍ଲସ୍ FG ପ୍ଲସ୍ GH then HA. Means you have started from here, then you have came back to the same place. So now we will write the measurement. AB is how much? AB is 12 meter plus BC is 3 meter plus CD is 7 meter plus DE not written. I am writing it is how much? 4 meter. Okay. 4 meter plus EF is 10 meter plus FG is 3 meter plus GH is 15 meter plus HA is how much? 12 meter. So if you will add, so you are finding how much? While adding all the sides you have got 66 meter. So the perimeter of this given figure is how much? 66 figure. Means if you add all the boundaries, length of the boundary or length of the side, how much you are giving? 66 meter. So if a figure is made up of line segment only, then we can find its perimeter by adding the length of all the sides of the given figure. Okay. So look at this figure. This figure is only made of line segment. Means here line segment is AB, then BC, then CD, then DE, then EF, then FG, then GH, then HA. All these are line segment. So you can add all the line segment to get the perimeter or length of the boundary. So next we will find out perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So you are knowing about rectangle. A rectangle is what? It is a closed figure with two pairs of equal opposite sides. So here look at here A, B, C, D. Means here a rectangle have two pairs of equal opposite side. It is closed figure. Here AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Okay. And all angles are what? 90 degree. Means they are right angles. So here how we can find out the perimeter? So perimeter of rectangle equal to how much? Sum of all sides. We can add all sides. And sum of all sides we can say that one is length, other one is breadth. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. If I am taking this as length, then this is breadth, then this is length, then this is breadth. So length plus breadth, if I will write this L, B, B. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So length is how much? 2 length plus 2 breadth. So breadth is BREADTH. So you can write it 2 into whole. We can write that length plus breadth. So bracket close. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 whole into length plus breadth. Okay. So thus the perimeter of rectangle is what? You can write there 2 whole into length plus breadth. Okay. Let's see one example. The length and breadth of a rectangular swimming pool are 16 meter and 12 meter respectively. So look at here, respectively term is used. Respectively means 16 meter is length. First 16 meter is coming, that is for length, and second one 12 meter is coming, that is for breadth. That's why we have written. We have not written that length is 16 meter, breadth is 12 meter. So we have joined two sentences. That's why we have written respectively. Find the perimeter of the pool. Okay. So that pool is how much? Rectangular pool. So what you will write first? You will write perimeter of rectangle equal to how much? 2 whole into length plus breadth. So 2 whole into length is how much? 16 meter plus breadth is how much? 12 meter. So 2 whole into 16 plus 12 is how much? 28 meter. So that is 56 meter. So the perimeter of the rectangular pool is how much? 56 meter. Next example. Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular farm of length 24 meters and breadth 18 meters at Rs 8 per meter. So you are knowing cost of fencing. Fencing is what? That one is called, that in Odia, that is बाड़. Okay. जो बाड़टा तमर कोट लागे जोटी तमे जोटी फसल कराई जाए. Okay. फसल जोटी करथा परिवा चाष जोटी करथा जोटी चाष करो ता चारिपटे कोन दियो बाड़ दियो. ताहले कोन हो गोरु गाई पसी परिबेनी कि अलगा पशु पसी परिबेनी. So that your vegetables or your crops should be protected. So cost of fencing of rectangular park. So first we will find what? So fencing mean words we are making the boundary. Fencing re kon korchu, border kon korchu, boundary korchu. So we have to find the fencing means length of fencing. That length of fencing is what? Perimeter. So perimeter of what? Rectangle. So what you will write? You will write perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 whole into length plus breadth. So you are knowing equal to 2 whole into length is how much? 24 meter plus, don't forget to write meter, centimeter. Okay, whatever it is given. Breadth is 18 meter. So 2 into 42 meter equal to 84 meter. Okay. So next you will write hence cost of fencing. We got the fencing. Okay, perimeter is fence. So for Rs 8 per meter, for 1 meter how much? 8 rupee. So for 84 meter how much it will be? 84 into 8. Okay. So it is how much? 672 rupees. So this is the cost of fencing. Next, perimeter of regular shape. Okay. So how will you find out perimeter of regular shape? The figures having all the sides of equal length and all the angles of equal measure are called regular closed figure. Means all sides should be equal length, and angles should be equal. Okay. So if a closed figure is like this, having 6 sides, means that this regular polygon is what? Or regular closed figure is what? It has 6 sides, all are equal. Means 6 sides are equal and 6 angles are equal. That's why that is called regular polygon. and 6 sides means what you will tell? That is hexagon. Means what you will write? Regular hexagon. Why? Because all the 6 sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So perimeter of regular polygon is how much? Number of sides and length of a side. If number of side is for perimeter of regular hexagon will be how much? That is number of side is 6 and length of side. Length of each side. Okay. So let's find out. So first we'll find out perimeter of square. So a square is a regular polygon with 4 equal sides. In square, what is? All sides are equal and all angles are what? 90 degree. Okay. So if you are naming them A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a regular polygon, means it is a square. Okay. And square have what? 4 sides, 4 equal sides and all angles are 90 degree. So perimeter of a square is how much? You will add all the length of the side. Okay, all the side, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Means side plus side plus side. Okay, this is plus sides. So here we have 4 sides, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So thus perimeter of square is how much? How many sides we are adding? All are equal sides, so you can write that 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side or length of each side. So the perimeter of square is how much? 4 into side. So find the perimeter of a square having length 25 centimeter. So one length is given, means all the lengths are what? 25 centimeter. So perimeter of square is how much? 4 into side. Okay, equal to how much? 4 into 25 centimeter equal to how much? Equal to 100 centimeter. So the perimeter of square having side length 25 centimeter is how much? 100 centimeter. So at last, don't forget to write the unit. If you are not writing unit, if you are writing only 100, means that is wrong, you will get 0. Okay. So don't forget to write the unit always at the end of, at least at the end of what? Your operations. Okay. Next we will see perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is what? Let's see. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 equal sides. Okay. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, all 3 sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So if this is an equilateral triangle, so here AB equal to BC equal to CA. Okay. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is how much? We'll write side plus side plus side. So we have 3 sides. That one you can write it as 3 into side. So this is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Not all triangle, only equilateral triangle, 3 into side. So let's see one example. Find the perimeter of a triangle having each side length 13 centimeter. Means all the sides are what? 13 centimeter. This is 13, this is 13, this is 13 centimeter. Means this is an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is how much? It is 3 into side equal to how much? 3 into each side is how much? 13 centimeter equal to 39 centimeter. So perimeter of this equilateral triangle is how much? 39 centimeter. Next you see a regular pentagon has 5 equal sides and angles. Okay. So if this is a regular pentagon, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so all sides are equal, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EA, and all the angles are also equal. So we'll find out the perimeter of regular pentagon. So perimeter means how many sides a pentagon have? 5 sides. So all sides are equal. So you can write it as side plus side plus side plus side plus side. So we have 5 equal sides. So what you can write? 5 into side. So this is also number of side is 5 into side. Side is what? You can write a length of each side. That one also you can write 5 into length of each side. Next, a regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and angles 6 equal. So perimeter of regular hexagon is how much? That is, so how many sides, equal sides are? 6 into length of each side. Like that, perimeter of regular heptagon means 7. Means 7 equal side, 7 into length of each side. Like this you can find out perimeter of regular octagon. Octagon means 8. So how many sides are there? 8. So like this you can write 8 into length of each side. You can also write perimeter of regular nonagon. Nonagon means how many side? 9 side. Perimeter of regular decagon. Decagon means 10 side. Regular means all the sides are equal, means number of side into length of each side. Okay, so let's see one example. Find the distance traveled by Sony if she takes 3 rounds of regular hexagon park of side 70 meter. Okay, so park is what shape? Regular hexagon. So perimeter of regular hexagon park is how much? Hexagon means 6 into side. So it is how much? 6 into each side is how much? 70 meter. 70 meter. So it is 420 meter. So distance we have to find 3 round. Okay, so this is for 1 round. So distance covered in 1 round is how much? 420 meter. Got round 420 meter. So 3 round of this hexagon. Okay, so 1 round is 420. 3 round is a distance traveled in 3 round is how much? 420 into 3. That is how much? 0, 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12. 1260 meter. So C covers distance in 3 round. How much? 1260 meter. Next you see, next example. Pinky runs around a square field of side 160 meter. Okay, square means all the sides are equal. Bob runs around a rectangular field with length 100 meter and breadth 75 meter. Who covers more distance and how much? Okay, let's see. So distance covered by Pinky in 1 round equal to how much? Perimeter of square, because she has covered square field. So perimeter of square is how much? It is 4 into side equal to 4 into each side is how much? 160 meter. That is 640 meter. Okay, then distance covered by Bob in 1 round is perimeter of rectangle, because Bob runs around rectangular field. So perimeter of rectangle is how much? 2 whole into length plus breadth equal to 2 whole into length is how much? Length is your 100 meter. plus breadth is 75 meter. So 2 into 175 meter. That is how much? 5 2 is 10, 7 2 is 14, 15, 2 1 is 2, 3. It is how much? 350 meter. So look at here. Distance covered by Pinky is 640 meter and distance covered by Bob is how much? 350 meter. So question is what? Who covers more distance? By looking at the perimeter, you can find out who covers the more distance and how much. Okay. So who covered more distance? Pinky covered more distance. So you can write Pinky covered more distance. So how much more distance she has covered? So difference in distance covered is how much? 640 meter minus 350 meter. Okay. So this is how much? 0, 9, 2. So how much more she has covered? She has covered 290 meter more. So who covers more distance? Pinky covered more distance. How much more distance she has covered? 290 meter more. So you can write Pinky has covered 290 meter more distance. Okay. So this is the answer. Next you see, next example, the perimeter of a regular nonagon is 18 centimeter. How long is its one side? Okay. So here length is given. So you have to, perimeter is given. You have to find it one side. So what you are knowing? You are knowing that perimeter of regular nonagon. How much? It is, nonagon means 9 sides. So 9 into side. So you have to find out side. So side equal to perimeter by 9. So perimeter is how much given? 18 centimeter by 9. This is how much? 2 centimeter. So side of each side of nonagon is how much? 2 centimeter. So like this, if perimeter is given of a regular polygon, then you can find out the side by side. How you can find out? By dividing the perimeter by number of side. तमे कौन करिवो? perimeter को total number of side रे. If it would have been given for hexagon, regular hexagon पाइन देइथिले, hexagon केटा side? 6 side. तो तमे कौन करथांतो? perimeter by 6. If it has been given for heptagon पाइन देइथिले कौन करथांतो? side equal to perimeter by 7 because heptagon have 7 sides. So this is about today's class and we have learned about perimeter, how to find out perimeter of different shapes. So I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.